So here is how you guys can change Google search country. So first, open up the browser. This will work on any browser. You don't need to log in or do anything. Just need to open up the google.com, and you can see right now Google offering is right now in Nepali. And also you can swipe down and see there is Nepali as well. Well, now to be able to change this country, you need to swipe down and you should see setting over there. You can see that. So tap on settings and then go to search setting, and here you have privacy and safety and auto setting. So tap on auto setting, and from here go to language and region, and here you need to change result region. Alright guys, so let me set this region to India. Confirm. So now I'm going back and just refreshing the google.com, and there you go. You can see all the offered language right now in Hindi and all the stuff, and you can also see this is now showing India. This is how you should change country on Google search. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.